Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Discord and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on the application of Play Store. And after that here we'll search about the application of Discord. And here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.